Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out my lead gen secret. So you're on this page right now, okay? Pretty cool little page right here. And you're wondering, can you actually make money online using my lead gen secret, all right? So I'm going to review this program. I'm actually a member of this program, so I'm going to dive into my back office and show you the pros and cons of this program, and then you can decide on, whether you want to invest in the program or not, okay? But let me talk about this in a nutshell, okay? Basically what this is it's a lead co-op system that allows you to send emails to people that are interested in making money online, right? And in other newsletters, they have opted for more information on other offers. So basically, what's happening here is this business is allowing you to mail people that are open to other internet marketing offers. So that's kind of all it is, right? And then what you get access to in the background, okay, just let me show you the mailing system, all right, is basically every single day you're going to get 100 extra leads that you can mail. So if you're starting this from day number 1, you're only going to get 100 leads, and then day number 2 you get another 100 leads, so that's 200. Day number 3 you get another 100, which is 300, and so on and so forth, okay? So the longer you are in the program, the more leads that you can actually mail. So currently I can mail 1,700 leads because I've been in the program for 17 days, right? So that's how it works. Now you have to remember that the people that you're sending emails to, they don't know who you are, okay? All that's happening is they click the link somewhere at the beginning of this whole process, and they opted in for they're okay to see more opportunities on make money from home, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, that sort of thing, right? So what these guys are doing, my lead gen secret, they're just sharing those leads with you. That's it. So inside of this mailing system, when you send them an email, they have no idea who you are. Okay, so let's just say this is 1,700 people that I'm mailing right now. If I send them an email, it's basically going to come from me, Aaron Chen, right? And the email address is no reply at myleadgensecret.com. All right. So again, the email address is kind of weird, right? Because they don't know who's emailing them, right? And they might be receiving like 10 or 20 of these emails a day. Okay. So basically, based on how good your subject line is and how good your email is, will depend on whether this person actually decides to open up the email or not. Okay, so let me show you the stats. I actually just sent an email out right now, right? So this is the email that I sent out. And the thing is that with these kind of email leads, you have to be pretty hypey with your emails, all right, to get some sort of response from them, okay? And so because they're getting a lot of emails every single day, right? So this is the email that I wrote, right? So, hey Bob, I use this to earn almost $1 million in sales online. By the way, that's real because I have made almost $1 million in sales online, and I'll talk to you in a minute about how I did that, right? If you like to learn to do the same thing, I recommend you check out this system right now. See you there, right? So I don't normally write emails like this, but with this type of system, because these guys are getting tons of make money online emails, this is the type of email that you're going to have to write in order to get their attention, okay? So I'm going to show you my statistics so that you can actually see this thing in action, right? So you can see here that depending on how good your subject headline is, will depend on how many people open up the emails, right? So the open rates are actually not bad for emails, right? So I started at my best was 39%, which is really high actually, okay? And then it kind of drops off after a while, 15%, 10%, 14%, 17%, right? 24%. And so these are the kind of the open rates that you can get used to. And then the click-through rates are here 18%, 15%, 8%, but you can see how many people have clicked on your on my actual emails, okay? So here's the thing about this type of mailer, right? Can you make sales from my lead gen secret? You can, because I have made a couple of sales so far with this particular system, right? Is it worth the investment? Well, it depends on what you're selling, okay, and what kind of business you want to start up. You have to understand that you are getting a list of people that are interested in make money offers. So they're getting bombarded with a lot of different emails. Now, you do get people opening the emails, but remember, with every single email that you send every single day, you're not getting that many clicks, right? You're getting, 13 clicks, 25 clicks, 18 clicks, 28 clicks, and sometimes they might buy and sometimes they won't. All right. Now, if you work this system correctly, can you make sales? Yes, you can, because I made sales on my first email, on my first day. But since then, have I made any sales? No, I haven't. Okay. Did I make my investment back on this? I did. Okay, so this costs $60 to set up, and then it's $30 every single month, right? So the longer that you're in the program, the more emails that you can send. But understand that even though you are getting more emails to send, and more people are receiving your emails, some of these people have seen your emails over and over and over again. So after a while, they don't become so effective, okay? But also remember that these people are getting emails from a lot of other people who, because they opted in for co-op emails. Does that make sense? So they're getting like 20 promotional emails every single day. So to get their attention and for them to buy is quite difficult. All right. So it just depends on what you're marketing, what you're selling, and whether you're active with the system. And also, do you really want to set up this kind of system or not? Okay. Because if this is the only thing that you're doing inside of your business, then yes, you might make a little bit of money if you don't really know what you're doing. But if you understand marketing and you're generating your own leads, that means you're getting your own. Let me show you right here, right? The mailing system. So these guys are giving you 100 leads a day, right? That might sound like a lot, but it's not that much because the statistics are so low. Even though I'm getting 100 leads a day from my lead gen, I mean, I'm only getting like 10 clicks on my emails a day, 15 clicks on my emails a day. And these are people that have no idea who I am. So I have no relationship with them at all. So to get them to buy something from you is a lot more difficult, right? Could you make a little bit of money from this? Yes, maybe, if you're selling the right thing. But if you learn to market online properly, you can earn way more money than spending 10, 20 minutes a day on the system every single day. Does that make sense? So there are pros and cons to this type of system, all right? So I'm going to kind of wrap this up for you, right? My lead gen secret is not bad. Can you make money from it? Yes, you can. You can make a little bit of money from it. Will you make more money than the $30, the $60 setup and the $30 that you're paying for every single month? Probably, if you are an active user of the system. But will you make a ton of money? Probably not, okay? Is there a better way to make money online than doing this? Absolutely, okay? Because this system is designed for people that, have no idea how to market online at all, right? If you don't know how to market online, like you're an absolute beginner, and you really only have $30 a month to spend on your business and you don't want to do anything else, then it's not bad, okay? You might be able to make, like, if you email aggressively every single day, you might be able to make a few $100s, maybe, $1,000 or $2,000 a month, maybe, okay? If you're leveraging it right. And I think that the longer that you're in the system and the more leads you have, the more realistic that becomes, okay? But are you ever going to make like $5,000, $10,000 a month? Very unlikely, okay? Very unlikely, because again, remember that these leads, they're not really your leads, right? You're sharing these leads with hundreds and hundreds of marketers who are using this system as well, right? And that's only people that are using this system. These people have clicked the co-op link for in general. So, a lot of other people outside my lead gen secret are also using these leads, probably, okay? So, and will you become rich? Very, very unlikely. Can you make a couple of sales here and there? Yes, you can. I have, right? Is there a better way to make a lot of money online? Absolutely. If you're willing to learn how to generate these leads that they're generating here, and you're willing to learn how to build a real relationship with your own leads, the potential that you're going to make way more money, I'm talking about 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month, is much, much higher. Okay. So it's not a bad system to get started. I mean, I've made a sale, right? But for me to invest even 10, 20 minutes a day just to send an email out. And remember, you have to understand sales copy, okay? So you have to know how to write subject headlines. You have to know how to write the emails. And unfortunately, they don't train you how to do that. You can pay additional money to get pre-written emails, and that costs an additional, I think it's $50 that you have to spend to get those emails, right? But to learn sales copy, which they don't teach you how to do, you're going to run out of emails to send unless you learn sales copy. Does that make sense? So again, if you're only willing to spend $30 a month on your future, on your dreams, then my lead gen secret is not bad. You can make a couple of sales, maybe a few $100s, maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000 if you stay in their system long enough, okay? But as long-term growth, I mean long-term potential, I don't think that you're going to make that much money from the system, and it makes more sense to invest that time that you are actually investing in, writing emails every single day, to just do it yourself, right? Learn to generate these kinds of leads yourself. Learn to build a relationship with these leads so that you own them and they know exactly who you are. And that way you can earn a lot more money, okay? And that's actually how I really made let me see the email. I can't show you the email because I pressed refresh, right? But the email that I just sent out, okay, right here, right, where I said I actually earned almost $1 million in sales online because I've really done that, right? I would love to show you how to do that if you're interested. Okay, so it depends on who you are. If you only want to spend $30, on your entire future, then my lead gen secret is not bad. You can make a little bit of money from it. But if you want to do what I did, and earn almost $1 million in sales, doing pretty much the same thing, sending emails, learning how to generate your own leads, building relationships with people online, and selling really great products that people actually need to solve their problems, I would love to show you how to do that. Okay, and all you need to do is register by clicking the link below, or clicking the link on the right hand side, and registering for my workshop. It's a free workshop, and I'm going to take you through my system on exactly how I was able to create almost $1 million in sales, right? 100% from home, doing pretty much the same thing that these guys are doing. The only difference is I'm going to show you how they're doing it, right? So instead of just using an email system with co-op leads, which hundreds of marketers are also using, I'm going to show you how these guys actually got their leads, how to build a relationship with them, how to send out the emails, all that stuff, sell great products, but you're making way more money. I mean, almost $1 million in sales compared to a dinky little sales here and there. I'm going to show you the difference, okay? And it's completely up to you whether you would like to model that or not. So I hope you enjoyed this review of my lead gen secret today. Not a bad option, right? But if you're a big thinker and you want much bigger results, then I highly recommend that you jump on the workshop. All the best to you, and I hope to see you in another video. And on the workshop, take care and all the best.